Hello friends, today's video represents how are you going to switch on the screen keyboard. So this first topic represents three subtitles. The first one is what are the problems that appears when you switch on the screen keyboard and how are you going to solve those problems. The second one is how are you going to type in screen keyboard? And the third one is how are you going to switch off the screen keyboard? So then we'll start. First of all, you must click this button. After you click, you will appear in start. Then you will see calendar, mail, sports, money, weather, Internet Explorer, people, Skype, help, plus tips, OneDrive, and some more icons. And also you will see the PC settings. Click the PC settings icon. Then the background would appear like this. Settings, recent, cursor and keys, on screen keyboard, useful keys and some more. So, do you need to switch on the screen keyboard? Yes. That is a small question from me. Here is the icon. Here is the place that you are going to switch on your screen keyboard. Now you will see off. Off represents that your screen keyboard is switched off. Now you will see a rectangular box. Click the right side of this rectangular box. Now your screen keyboard has been switched on. So I would like to reduce the size of my screen keyboard. How are you going to reduce the size? You will see the title in your screen keyboard. Now see on screen keyboard. Slowly go near that. Then you will see that your mouse has become an arrow. So slowly drag your screen keyboard down or up. It's as your wish. I would like to reduce the size like this. And then if you need to reduce the size of this side, then slowly go in here and then you will see again that arrow. Then drag it to the left side. Yes. Quite easy. Then how are you going to type using your screen keyboard? Yes, I would like to switch on the Word document. It's loading. Here is the Word document. So this is a small test that I am proving you. So now I am going to type from the physical keyboard. That means there is a keyboard that has been fixed to your laptop or your computer. Now see, you can hear the sound when I'm typing. I'm going to type, hi, I am Janvi. See, did it be typed? Can you see letters in the Word document? No, you can't see. That means the physical keyboard has been locked for a minute. For a minute means still you stop using the screen keyboard. So now how are you going to type from the screen keyboard? Now I have proved you once. So we'll see how are we going to type with screen keyboard. See, now I'm going to type, hi, I'm Janati. So how are we going to capitalize a letter? If you like, you can use caps lock or shift. I like to use shift. Click shift, then hi. Now hi is capitalized. When you are using caps lock, you must click caps lock once, then hi. Now still it's going because it's caps lock. We didn't press it again, but when we press it again, now it's simple. Now I think you did understand what is screen keyboard and how are you going to use it. So I would like to prove it again. We'll go for Google. I think you need to search something in Google, right? My Google is loading. You can move your screen keyboard also, remember it. Now, it's not typing, but when I get my mouse near the screen keyboard, now it's going to type. See? Guinea pigs. No, we'll type ginger bread. Right, enter. Now it's loading. Yes, you can see gingerbreads. So, did you see how are we going to type from your screen board? Now I'm going to tell you the problems that appear when you are using screen board. There is only one or two problems, and there is a way how are you going to solve it. When you are using your screen keyboard, you can't use your physical keyboard in your laptop or in your computer. That's because now you are using screen keyboard and the physical keyboard has been locked till you stop using screen keyboard. That's what the question is. That's what the problem is. So how are you going to solve it? You must stop using screen keyboard. So to do this, you must go here, or you can just close it. But more than doing that, it's more better to do what I say. That means go in the long path. It's okay if you need to correct your doubt. I would tell it how to do it. Now, yes, I'm going to close the screen keyboard. Now I'm going to the, what I was saying, that Google, yes. Now I'm going to type, yes, that's also another way. That's the short method, and the long method is click this button, then go for PC settings, then switch off it. Now, first it was switch on like this, then you can switch off it. Then it's permanently switched off. But if you need to switch on it, it can be switched on by pressing the right side of this triangular square. So I think, my dear friends, you like this on-screen keyboard method, the screen keyboard method. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like to share this powerful knowledge that you have collected from my video, share it as much as you can and comment it. So I hope that you understand what I say. So bye.